Are you not feeling 100% based lately? Not sleeping well, eating like shit, and overall feeling like one of those old guys in those Viagra commercials before he took Viagra? Not a problem. Today, I'm going to help you go from feeling like this to this. Now be sure to stick around till the end because number 6 just so happens to be my newest habit and also my favorite one. Number 1, sleep. Now, you're probably thinking, oh wow, Zeus, that's such unique advice. Never knew that getting good sleep would be a healthy choice. Hey, thanks. But hear me out. Not only is it important for you to get the right amount of sleep in terms of hours, but it's equally important to go to sleep at the same time each night and wake up at the same time every morning. There's a delicate hormonal balance that exists within your body, especially when it comes to sleeping. Thus, establishing a routine of sleeping and waking up at the same time, it will allow your sleep-related hormonal levels to be in balance and leveled. There are actually studies showing that people who have irregular sleep schedules tend to fuck up their circadian rhythm, and it results in their body not knowing when to release the hormones that make you feel sleepy or awake at the correct times. This is why a lot of people who sleep a lot of hours but don't have a routine tend to feel tired and out of energy during the day. No joke, falling asleep and waking up at the same time every day has been one of the most impactful things that has skyrocketed my productivity and health within the last 6 to 8 months. This is also dope because even on off days when you go to sleep late, your body will wake up at the same time and you won't even feel tired. So it's an easy schedule to maintain, and once you get into this routine, it will feel supernatural. Number 2, learn how to cook 3 healthy meals. Cooking is obviously a healthy habit because you know exactly what you're consuming and putting into your body, but learning how to cook just 3 healthy meals is especially effective for a few reasons. 1, when you cook meals yourself, you'll only buy foods and, more importantly, the healthy foods that you actually like, which makes you more likely to eat them. 2, you also get to totally customize the meals you make because you're the one creating them, which means that you can change up any healthy recipe to taste as good as you want because you can add in whatever spices and flavor profiles you prefer. 3, knowing how to cook a healthy breakfast, lunch, and dinner will make it convenient and easier for you to eat healthy because you'll always have a bomb-ass meal that you can make any time of the day. So you'll have less of an excuse to eat out. And I'm not talking about that kind of eat out, all right? Number 3, manage your body. What I mean by this is making sure that your body is in optimal, high-performing condition. Most people just keep track of their weight by weighing themselves in the morning, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. You should be tracking way more than that, especially if you're working out or just want to live a healthy lifestyle. A good way to do this is by getting a quality scale. The one I recommend is the Digital Body Analyzer from VitaGoods. You see, the scale measures your weight, body fat percentage, the amount of muscle mass in your body, your bone density, and water weight, which is essential if you work out a lot and are focusing on bulking or cutting. Knowing your body fat percentage, muscle mass, and water weight allows you to get instant feedback from your body, which you can then use to tailor your workouts and, more importantly, your lifestyle to match your weight goals. I recommend weighing yourself at the same time every morning so you can get an accurate and consistent read of where your body is at and take action based on your results. I personally do this every morning, and it's helped me come up with better workout and diet plans because I have all the knowledge I need from my body to know exactly what it needs. This is also a good scale to use if you plan on sharing it with your side hoes, girlfriends, mistress, or whatever, because it can create and store different profiles for each person's stats. It even has a really sleek stainless steel and glass appearance that makes it super easy to clean. And since VitaGoods is a partner, I got them to hook you guys up with 60% off the scale when you use the link and code in my description. Number 4, keep your phone on airplane mode or do not disturb for 80% of your day. You have a limited amount of attention and decision-making in your day before your brain just gets overworked and you start experiencing a sharp decrease in your ability to do these tasks well. Constant push notifications on your phone that take you out of what you're doing and into something that is short-lived is a really easy way to destroy your attention span and make it harder for you to focus. This is why I recommend keeping push notifications off, because this way you can control when you're shifting your focus, and you're only looking at the distractions on your phone when you can and want to. You gotta grab your distractions by the balls. This way, you only deal with them on your own terms. Number 5, spend the first 30 minutes of an hour of each day focused on learning. I meet a ton of successful people all the time since I'm literally a god, and I am the most successful thing ever, since I literally created the universe. But What I noticed is that the majority of them spend the beginning of their day focused on learning and personal development because of the dramatically positive effect it has on the rest of their days. Also, reserving time in every single day is a really effective way of improving your skills and becoming smarter and happier over the long term. Think of it like this. If you spend 1 hour every day for a year reading, learning a new skill, or developing yourself, you will have spent 365 hours, which translate to just over 2 full weeks of doing nothing else but learning and growing. This is another good way of ensuring that you'll learn each day, because even if you end up having an unproductive day or going through a period where you're not learning at school or work, you're always learning on your own anyways. Number 6. Outline what your perfect day looks like to you. This one is simple. Take some time to think long and hard about what your absolute perfect day would look like. Be as ambitious as you can and really define what you want to be doing if you had no responsibilities. Once you have your idea for a perfect day, do what you can each and every day to make your day a perfect day. And that's it. In summary, sleep, learn to cook 3 healthy meals, manage your body, keep off your phone, spend your first 30 minutes each day learning, and outline what your perfect day looks like. Hey, if you want to check out the Digital Body Analyzer, then be sure to check the link in my description to keep track of everything happening with your body. Also, be sure to leave a comment below since I read virtually every comment and I'm really active down there. Zeus out!